Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Samsung soundbar C400 soundbar. This gear deserves your attention. This soundbar is with 4 up-firing speakers with inbuilt subwoofer. Basically, we're going to unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. I hope this will help you to make a fun choice about this soundbar. This is Samsung soundbar C400 Dolby Audio DTS 2.1 channel soundbar. You have option for voice enhancement mode. Boost the dialogue so that it's easier to hear over the music or sound effect. And this is surround sound expansion. Connect your soundbar to your TV wirelessly, stream music straight away from your phone, your laptop, tablet with Bluetooth. You can also connect it using optical cable. You have option in the night to select night mode. Okay, so let's check this stuff out, what is inside. I'm excited. Nice. So from here you can see what it is. So this information pack. Nice packaging. Okay, what's in here is the remote control. The battery, AAA battery is what is using. Remote control and the power cable in here. Okay, nice. Nice. First impression, beautiful stuff. It's not heavy. You can see what it looks like. Amazing stuff. This is 2023 B series soundbar C400, built-in subwoofer, 1 remote control, surround sound expansion. This is Bluetooth connection, and you have optical cable in, and USB for you to stream music. This is nice. See what it looks like. And it got some clothing, you know, so black clothing to cover it, so the design is nice and simple. It's not heavy. You can see from here you switch this on and off from here. Okay, and so you switch it on and off, okay, and decrease the volume, increase the volume. This is the output. In case if you haven't got a remote control, so you can also control it from the top. Okay, so you can control it from the top here, and at the back, okay, at the back you have the power cable. The power cable goes in here. Okay, you can see the power. Now I have digital audio in. Is optical cable, and USB. Okay, goes in here. So this is simple and nice soundbar that is beautiful, and you can see it got 4 speakers, up-firing speakers. So just gonna check where the speakers are. Okay, there's 1 speaker here. This is the second one. There's another one here. So 4 speakers here. Okay, so this is what we have here, and it's 2023 model. So this is the remote control and the power cable. So we're going to set this. The only thing is this soundbar hasn't got HDMI port. So to set this up, you just need to put battery. Okay, the setting. So as usual, the same Samsung remote control is what is using. So what you need to do is to put the battery. The battery goes in here. Okay, the other one goes to the other side. Okay, and it's in. Okay, now the next thing to do is you need to close it. Okay, now plug in the soundbar to the power. So push it inside to the power. It's in. Okay, now plug this into the socket. Okay, you can see a blue light. Once you plug it in, you will see a blue light. Okay, so the blue light here highlighting. Now to switch it on here. Okay, when you switch it on or off, the light will be showing from here. You can see that, so it's off now. Okay, so it's showing a green light. Now you use the input to select
Bluetooth.
You can see Bluetooth.
Ready to connect via Bluetooth.
So it will tell you ready to connect via Bluetooth. So we need to look for this using my mobile device. Okay, so what we need to do now is for us to go to the settings on the mobile device settings. So go to connection. Okay, then select Bluetooth, switch the Bluetooth on. So once you switch the Bluetooth on, then you need to select the Bluetooth, okay, and scroll down and look for this device. This device is Samsung C400 and it's showing Samsung soundbar C4 series. So select on it. Now pair with Samsung soundbar C400, click pair. And it's connected. What we need to do is we need to test the audio, okay, using Epidemic Sound. So go to Epidemic Sound. Okay, so you select increase the volume. Then you need to select the mode.
Standard.
This is standard. Standard. So this is standard.
Surround.
Surround.
Standard.
Standard.
Surround.
Just gonna pause this. So you have two mode options, standard or surround. Okay, then so you pause it from the center button here, pause it. Okay, then this button here is input for you to change it from Bluetooth to, so select the input for you to change it from Bluetooth to optical. Then the center one is pause and play. This button here is for you to for Bluetooth pair, and you increase the volume and decrease the volume from this end for the soundbar, and this is for subwoofer. Okay, so this remote is pretty much for the setting for all Samsung soundbar. So the speakers are here. The speakers are firing from up. Testing the audio.
Standard.
This is standard. Thank you and stay blessed.